Welcome back to our channel. So in this video we shall discuss exercise 12.1. Okay, the first problem here is a tower stands vertically on the ground. Okay, a tower stands vertically on the ground. So let us suppose to take AB as a tower. So this is the ground level. So a tower AB stands vertically on the ground. Okay, so let AB be the tower. Okay, so let AB be the tower. So from a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. It is mentioned in the question that from a point 15 meters, which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. So here AB is the tower. That means A is the foot of tower. Okay. So a point. Let us suppose to take a point C. Okay. So this point C is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. That means the distance between A and C is here 15 meters. Okay. So let and C be a point which is 15 meters away from A. Okay, so C is a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. Okay, so that AC equal distance AC equal here 15 meters. Okay, so from a point which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. So from this point, the angle of elevation of this top of the tower is 45 degrees. It is given. That means angle ACB equal to 45 degrees. Okay. So from this point C, the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. It is mentioned in the question. So what is the height of the tower? So we have to find the height of the tower AB. Okay. So we have to find height of the tower AB. So that is AB is opposite to this angle 45. So here adjacent side is given in the question. Okay, so opposite and adjacent. So that means we can apply tan here. Okay, if we apply tan 45, that means AB by AC. Okay, so opposite by adjacent. Okay, in triangle ABC. Okay, so tan C equal to AB by AC. Okay, so tan C equal to, we know that tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. That means tan C equal to AB by AC. So AB is the opposite to angle C and AC is the adjacent to angle C. Okay, so it implies that tan C, that means tan of 45. So angle C is 45 degrees given in the question. Okay, so given in the question that angle ACB equal to 45 degrees. Okay, it is mentioned in the question. Okay, tan 45 equal to now AB by, so AC value is 15 meters. Okay, so we know that tan 45 value is 1. Okay, so now 1 equal to AB by 15 meters. That means 15 comes to the left side multiplied with 1. That means 15 meters equal to AB. Okay, so therefore AB equal to 15 meters. The height of the tower is 15 meters. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. The next question is, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. Okay, so a tree breaks due to storm. So let us suppose to take, let AB be the tree. Okay, so let AB be the tree. So a tree breaks due to storm. So let BC be the broken part. Okay, so BC is the broken part. So it is broken. So and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees with the ground. Okay, the tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. So this broken part, so BC, this broken part BC bends and touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. So that means angle ABC equal to, we can obtain 30 degrees. Okay, so and it is given that the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree and the ground is 6 meters. Okay, so this is the foot of the tree and top of the tree is, okay, so top of tree is AB. Okay, the distance between foot of the tree and top of the tree and ground, that means, so this part AB is given that 6 meters. Okay, so distance between foot of the tree and top of the tree and ground is 6 meters. So find the height of the tree before falling down. We have to find the height of the tree before falling down. That means we have to find the value of AB. That means AC plus BC. We have to find the AC plus BC. So AC plus BC is the height of the tree before falling down. Okay, so let AC plus BC be the height of tree before falling down. So let us suppose to take AC plus BC is the height of the tree before falling down, and AB be the distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree. And okay, distance between foot of the tree and top of the tree and ground. Okay, so it is given in the question that AB equal to 6 meters. Okay, and also given that the top of the tree makes an angle 30 degrees with the ground. That means angle ABC equal to 30 degrees, and angle ABC equal to 30 degrees given in the question. Okay, so we have to find AC plus BC. Okay, AC value and BC value. So in triangle ABC, so here AB adjacent side, AB is the adjacent side to 30 degrees and AC is the opposite side to 30 degrees. That means if we apply tan here, so tan, if we apply tan 30, that means AC by AB, that means we can apply AC value. And similarly here in triangle ABC, so AB is the adjacent side to 30 degrees and BC is the hypotenuse. So since the tree will be in vertical position, so BC will become as hypotenuse. Okay, so that means, so adjacent by hypotenuse, we can, if we apply cos here, so that means we can get the value of BC. So it apply here. Okay. So in triangle ABC, okay, so tan 30 equal to AC by AB. That means it implies the tan 30 value we know that 1 by root 3 equal to AC by AB value is 6 meters. That means 6 meters get multiplied with the left side term. That means AC equal to, they get 6 by root 3 meters. Okay, and similarly same in triangle ABC, if we apply cos 30 here, AB by BC. Okay, so cos 30 equal to, okay, AB by adjacent side by hypotenuse, so AB by BC. That means it implies that, so cos 30 value we know that root 3 by 2 equal to AB value is 6 meters by BC. Okay, so this BC gets multiplied with root 3. Root 3 into BC equal to 6 into 2 meters cross multiply. Okay, and root 3 gets divided with the right side term. That means BC equal to 6 into 2 by root 3 meters. Okay, so BC equal to 6 2 is 12 by root 3 meters. So now, so therefore we need to value of AC plus BC. Okay, therefore AC plus BC equal to, AC value is 6 by root 3 plus BC value is 12 by root 3. So denominator both consisting of root 3 and root 3. We can take root 3 as common denominator. Okay, so root 3 plus numerator becomes a 6 plus 12. That means 18 by root 3. Okay, so multiply both numerator and denominator with root 3. That means 18 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. That means 18 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3 6 are 18. Okay, so 6 root 3 meters. So therefore height of the tree before falling down is 6 root 3. So if we multiply 6 root 3, that means 6 into root 3 value we can take it as 1.732. Okay, so 6 into 1.732. 6 2s are 12, 6 3 is 18 plus 1 is 19, 6 1 is 42 plus 1 is 43, 3 4 6 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 3 is, okay, so 10.392 meters. So this is the height of the tree before falling down. So this is the answer.